What's going on, guys? In this video, we're breaking down the 5 best printer for sublimation. I have made this list based on connectivity technology, printing technology, price, and more. I have included options for every type of consumer. Check the links in the description if you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products we mentioned. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 1. Epson EcoTank ET2720. If you're a novice at printing on die-sub printers, you'll want to watch your budget since you won't just be buying a printer, but other items as well, including sets of ink, different sets of paper, and quite possibly a heat transfer machine as well. So you don't want to go through more ink than is necessary, since that can get very expensive. But that's one of the benefits of using one of Epson's EcoTank line of printers. They're specifically designed to hold a lot of ink in each color, which can last for months, depending on usage. But what's really great about this Epson EcoTank model is that since it's Epson's entry-level model, this is a cheap sublimation printer compared to most inkjet models with ink tanks. So if you're just starting out and are looking for an ideal inkjet printer to convert into a die-sub printer, the ET2720 is ideal. Number 2. Epson Expression Photo HD XP 15000. The best wide-format sublimation printer, this model is also an excellent choice for those who need to convert a single-function inkjet printer. Typical printers can only handle media up to 8.5 by 11 inches. But if you need prints that are larger, you'll enjoy this wide-format sublimation printer from Epson, which can print at larger sizes, up to 13 by 19 inches. And since it can print using 6 colors and higher resolution settings than many printers, the images are sharp and vibrant. However, it's not a perfect printer since it's not as easy to convert this Epson into a sublimation printer, since it uses ink cartridges instead of ink tanks. Also, this Epson produces prints more slowly than others in its class. Number 3. Sawgrass SG500. This versatile but relatively pricey sublimation printer can transfer photos and graphics onto a variety of objects, including t-shirts, mugs, and other items, making it our pick for the best sublimation printer for fabric and rugs. The Sawgrass SG500 fits easily onto the top of a desk thanks to its small size. But it's still a powerful die sublimation printer that can be used on many projects, whether you're a hobbyist or you own a small business or kiosk operation. It's also great for making sublimation prints for shirts. You can print on media up to 8.5x14 and use it to create and apply custom graphics to a wide variety of items, including mugs, coasters, phone cases, apparel, and more. The SG500 also offers Wi-Fi connectivity. The SG500 includes a free license of Creative Studio software. Number 4. Canon Selfie CP1300. If you only need to print out good quality 4x6-inch color photos that have vivid color and are durable, this Canon small, portable, die-sub printer should fit the bill as the best cheap sublimation printer. There's a lot to like about the Canon Selfie CP1300 die-sub photo printer, provided that you're okay with being limited to printing only 4x6-inch size photos, and that you don't need a very versatile die-sub printer. For instance, unlike other die-sub models, you won't be able to print your images onto transfer paper and then use a heat transfer process to transfer the image or design onto a t-shirt, mug, or other objects. But if you're okay with these limitations, this Canon Selfie printer produces good quality 4x6-inch color photos that have vivid color and are also durable. Number 5. Epson Workforce WF7720. This printer is designed for use with Epson cartridges only, not third-party cartridges or ink. See product description for more details. Powered by Precision Core, the Workforce WF7720 wide format, all-in-one printer quickly produces print shop quality borderless prints up to 13 inches by 19 inches and scans up to 11 inches by 17 inches. A versatile inkjet, it features 500 sheet capacity, dual trays, plus a rear feed for specialty paper, ensuring powerful productivity for any office. It also includes auto two-sided print, copy, scan and fax, plus a 35-page auto document feeder. Use the 4.3-inch color touchscreen for easy navigation and control. Featuring the ultimate in wired and wireless networking, the WF7720 makes it easy to print from tablets and smartphones, 1, and includes Wi-Fi Direct, 2, Ethernet and NFC, 3. Check the links in the description if you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products we mentioned. I will try to keep it updated for the best prices. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video and it helped you out, please give the video a like and hit the subscribe button. I hope to see you guys in the following video. Till next time, I will see you later.